What's going on, people? Today, I am gonna be repairing more CDRs with my CD disc cleaning machine. Oh, this one's very, very scratched. Oh boy, is it scratched. We're gonna have to do a deep cleaning on it. Oi! Here's another one that's not so bad. I don't even know if you can see it, but I'm gonna fucking repair it anyway. And I have a couple more here too. Total of like 5, 4, 6, I don't know, to repair. You guys are probably wondering, but Jeff, don't you have a CD that's store-bought and it's all scratched up so you can show us how to repair it? Well, actually, no, I don't. But I can make one. First, I'm gonna need shitty knife. Wait a minute. Where is it? Shitty knife has escaped me. Shitty knife. Oh, shitty knife. Where are you, shitty knife? Well, it's not in here. Damn it, shitty knife. Where are you? Hey, Blaster, do you know where shitty knife is? Okay. Good answer. Is it under here? No. Fuck, I can't find it. Wait a minute. Shitty knife! What are you doing under there? Come here, you. Fuck. Yep. It's a shitty knife, alright. Now, I'm gonna need more dull combat! Yeah! Tis Buddha. I have it now. More dull combat. All right, let's get it out here. Shitty knife. Okay, let's see. All right. Looks pretty scratched. Let's scratch it some more. All right. I think that will do it. To the basement! Oh, forgot to throw away the cat turds. That's no chihuahua. All right, so here we are. Let's see, this goes in there like that. And this goes in here like that. Somehow or another. And I gotta connect the power. Alright, everything's a go. Here's the scratched up, more dull combat. Put it in here like so. Close this up. And now we are going to do DVD, and we're going to do medium. Because I think those are medium scratches. Right? We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please hold. Here's my problem. I don't have these things installed. Oh! Alright, the last one goes right there. Okay, let's try this again after that epic failure. Well, damn thing finally stopped fucking beeping. Let's hit continue and see what happens. Yay! Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, oh. Last stage. Is it done? Yes, it's done. Let's check it out. Let's see the awesomeness. Holy crap. Yes. There's like minimal scratches on there. I'm going to run it through one more time, see what happens. I think I'm going to do light this time. Start! Almost done! Alright. Holy crap, that is just awesome. You know, instead of running it through twice, I could have probably just hit the deep button right there, and it probably would have fixed it on one try. But as you can see, there's like no scratches at all. It looks like it just came out of the freaking box. Actually, there's one tiny scratch, or a few tiny scratches right there, but I'm not worried about it. This is just like my tester disc. If like I need to test something out, I have another copy that's locked away in my video game cabinet, so this is just like a kind of like a throwaway. Alright, now for Josh MP3. Apparently this was gifted to me by a guy named Josh back in the day. He was kind of a dick. Anyway, let's put this in here. Close this up. And I'm going to do medium again. And this time it's a CD. And start. And Josh MP3's is almost done. Alright, it's done! And Josh MP3 has been repaired. No more scratches. Alright, I'm gonna do a few more and I'm gonna call it a day. So I'm gonna end this video with Josh MP3. What the fuck?